In this video, we will going to take up one more problem on projections of lines. Problem number 73. How to solve this problem using AutoCAD software. The problem reads as, one end of a line is 30 mm in front of VP and 30 mm above HP. And the line is inclined at 40 degrees to HP. And its top view measuring 60 mm is inclined at 50 degrees to XY line. Draw the projections of the line and determine the true length and its inclination with VP. So here we have to first draw the XY line and mark this 30 mm both above HP and in front of VP. So to do that, first we will go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now the command is limits, reset model space limits, specify lower left corner 0, 0 default, upper right corner, so take 297, 210. Then zoom or then go to line, select some arbitrary point from the lower left corner of your screen and take some distance and click on first button of the mouse, and you take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297. You select this and offset to the right side. Again you go to the offset, take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extents, zoom 0.6x and then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two and you fillet between these two. Once you do that, now we'll go for layer command. Click on new, type the layer by name XY, enter. Click on new, type the layer by name locus. Click on new, type the layer by name true length. Click on new, type the layer by name top view. So you make it rename layers, you make it as top view. Then go to you come down to this. So then go to true length, go to layer, click on new. So take the layer by name top view, front view. So you take front view, XY, GV, true length, locus 0. So now we are going to go for the line weights. So you just come down to the line weight of layer 0 because that will be the projector lines. You take 0.05 and the locus will going to have 0.05 again and say OK. Then go to true length. You are going to get the true length as 0.3 and say OK. Then the front view will going to have 0.5 and the top view will also have 0.5 and then go to XY line, make it as 0.13 and say OK. Now you come down to layer locus, line type is continuous. Click on load, type dash dot, you take D and say OK and click on dash dot and say OK now. Then go to true length color, make it true length color has to be index color 30. Then go to front view, you make this as magenta color and then click on top view, make this as red and say OK and say close. Once you do that, first we'll go for line command. First draw a horizontal of any distance, then go to take offset. So go to offset, take the distance as 30 on either side. So take 30 from here, you take to the top and similarly from here you take to the bottom. Then go to line, take nearest point on this and take perpendicular to this. So once you do that, then go to fillet between these two and also between these two. Once you do that, now we need to, the line is inclined at 40 degrees to HP first and its top view is making 60 mm, 30 degrees to the XY line, 50 degrees to the XY line. So first we are going to start from the top view. So then go to line, take int of this, take at the rate, then here you take 60 less than 50. So you take at the rate 60 less than 60 less than 50 degrees. So that will be the top view. So you take 50 degrees. Sorry. Undo at the rate 60 less than 50. At the rate 60 less than minus 50 degrees. Then come down to this. Then go to extend. You select this line and enter this. So once you do that, so we have this top view. Now when you rotate the top view, make it parallel, then the line is inclined at 40 degrees to HP. So to do that, so first you will go to circle, take int of this and take intersection point of this. So when you are rotating the top view, then go to trim between these two lines and trim on this side and also on this side. Then go to erase, then go to fillet. So you make this line parallel in the true length. So when you project this and draw a 40-degree line so that it is going to intersect that, so you're going to get the locus of B. So to do that, first you go to line, take int of this and draw a univariate line. Then you need to consider what should be this angle, but we don't have the length. So go to line, take int of this, take at the rate 100. You take at the rate, sorry, go to line, take int of this and take at the rate 100 less than 40 degree. So once you do that, so it will go to cut the end projector line here. So then go to fillet between these two and then go to line, take int of this, then go to extend, select this as the boundary and select this as the object to extend. So now we got the true length in the top view. So once you get the true length in the true length in the front view, so you project this till here, so you're going to get this. So to do that, so go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this. So once you do that, then go to intersection point of this. Now we have the from here. So from here you take this, so you got this. Next we got the locus line, and once you get the locus line, then when you project this, once you get the locus line, you will project this, so it will go to comes to this, and then you draw a line. So now we need to take the true length now. So go to circle, take int of this and take int of this. Then go to trim between these two lines. I want to retain the arc. So you cut it on this side and also you cut it on this side. Then go to erase this line. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this. So here you just go to fillet between these two. So take fillet, do. Then you just go to trim this line here. Then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this and take int of this. So now once you get this, then go to break this line till here and you break this line till here. You break this line till here and you break this line till here and you break this line till here and you break this line till here. Now we need to go for layers. So select between these two, go to layer, make that layer as locus and change the line type scale factor to 10. So then come down to true length between these two, go to layer, make that layer as true length. So here you will going to make the line weight display. Then again you come down to front view, go to layer, make that as front view, then escape. Similarly you just click over this, go to layer, make that layer as top view. Then you click on this, go to layer, make that layer as XY. So all other things will going to be in 0.05. Now we need to go for dimensioning. So before that, first we're going to fix the dimensioning variables. So I want the angular degrees up to second decimal point. Then the primary units has to be 0. Then go to text, align with the dimension line, text height is 3, then you take above, and then you come down to this, makes offset from the dimension line as 2, and go to symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, and then comes to lines, take offset from the origin as 2, say OK and say close. Now we go for dimension, take intersection point of this and take int of this, so you will going to get one dimension here. Then again you take int of this and take intersection point of this. Once you do that, so here you will going to get 30. So the next thing what you want is the angular dimension of these two, and then we need to find out the true length. So to do that, so first we'll go for int of this and take a endpoint of this. So here click on this. So what is that length? 30 degrees, 60 degree, 60 mm, and then go to break this line till here. So then go to dim, go to angular, select between these two. So these two will going to have 50 degrees. So you take 50 degree. So you take 50. Once you do that, now we need to write this as 5. So to do that, go to angular, select between these two. So here go to text, 35.93 is the answer. 35.93 correct. Then come down to text, then you take between these two. So once you get this, now you just go to DDIM and you take modify, then go to primary units, make this also precision as 0 and say OK, close. So automatically that changes. Then go to dim TED, text edit dimension, so you take it out. Then you take this bit inside. So this is how you will be able to read the drawing. So then go to dim, take aligned, so dim int of this and take intersection point of this. So here we are going to get true length equals question mark. It is somewhere around 78. So go to text. So text is true length equals question mark. Then come down to this and place it wherever you want. Then go to break this line till here. So now we need to write the text now. So go to the text, select some arbitrary point, take height as 3, rotation angle of text as 0, and type X, and here you type Y, here you type VP, here you type HP. Then we have A dash. So here you write capital A, and here also you write capital A, and then correspondingly you will going to get B here because that is the true length, and this will going to be locus of B, and here also you write capital B, and here you write locus of B. Then we have small a, and this is small b, and this is A dash, and this is B dash. Once you do that, now we have B1 dash. So you come down to this, take B1 dash, then you come down to B1. This is the top view. Then that is transferred to B2. Then you come down to B2. Then here you take B2 dash, and then here it is B dash. Then go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window. Now we need to write the letters. So to do that, so how the things are, so here you just go to leader, take nearest on this, switch off the ortho mode, take tangentially to this arc, annotation option none. Then come down to ortho mode, then go to leader, take nearest on this, and you draw annotation option none. So once you do that, now here we are projecting this. So when you are projecting this, what is the angle? So we need to give the angle here, which is 40 degrees. So to do that, so go to dim, angular, select between this line and this line. So you're going to get it as 40 degrees. So now we need to write the directions of projections. So once you get the locus, so you can project this upwards. Then go to leader, take nearest on this. So you drag this and then go to annotation, option. So once you get this, now we need to rotate this and project this. So to do that, go to leader, take nearest point, and you switch off this, and you take ortho mode, take tangentially to this arc, then go to annotation, option, none. Then you just click on this, then go to leader, take nearest, then go to leader, take nearest on this and draw a vertical line, annotation, option. So this is how you will be able to get this. Then go to explode, explode this and explode this, explode this and explode this. Then go to erase, erase these two, erase these two, and one. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing. So next you switch off this, then go to move. So you take first, you take X, take VP, and you take HP. Similarly, Y. So then you take capital A here, and then capital A dash, then go to B2 dash, then go to B dash, then go to B1 dash, then capital B, then locus of B. So once you do that, now you come down to A, that is the top view. So you take A and here B1 and here B, that is top view. Then go to B2, then you click on this B, then you come down to locus of B. So once you do that, then we need to go for M text. M text. So you select this and you make it formatting. Go to symbol. So come down to symbol. Take symbol and type 5, small letter 5. So you're going to get this. So what I need to write the answers. So to do that, so first if I want to click on list, you will going to get the true length as 78.32. You can see here it is 78.32. The same true length is given here. So that is how you're going to get the answer. Then go to the text. So you just type answers. Answers. Then go to the text. So you take some height as 3. So rotation angle of text as 0. 78.32 mm. So take 78.32 mm. So once you do that, then you come down to move and you place it wherever you want. Then go to line, take one horizontal line and take one vertical line. Then go to line, take endpoint of this, and then go to line, take nearest point on this. Once you do that, then go to the text. So here you take height as 3 and you type true length. So then go to move, switch off this and place it appropriately. Then go to offset, take the distance as 6. So you take this, then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge, select object to trim by window. Then you just copy this here, 5. So what is the dimension? 35.93. So then go to copy 35.93. So to do that, 35.93. So go to DD edit. So here 35.93 percentage D. So you will going to get the 5 value also. Once you do that, then go to dim TED. You select this and take it inside this. Similarly, here you take 50. So you come down to this. So you take this to 5. Then go to move. Select this, move it here. So once you do that, so you're going to be, this is the final solution. So now you just go to VP, A dash, B2 dash, B dash, B1 dash, locus of P, and go to layer, make that as front view. Once you do that, then you click on this A, B, B2, B, locus of B, P1, and then HP. Go to layer, make that layer as top view. Once you do that, so you just click on A, this capital A, this capital B, and this capital B. Go to layer, go to color, make that color as blue. So this is how you will be able to complete this drawing by using AutoCAD software. So this drawing and also this drawing is one and the same. Thank you.